Oh, fuck. Oh shit. Woo.
I've let you cross me. My mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just
the water
have
got
to
me.
go.
I guess it rained last night and there was a bunch of water stuck up there. So when I tilted this thing, it all came inside my hoodie. It's pretty cold today, like 49 degrees or something. We keep going. We live and we learn.
I don't wanna lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me.
All right. So that wasn't too heavy. I've removed the first one of theirs. That one is still in the box. Alright guys, a little bit of an update. I think I did things a little bit backwards. I was supposed to clean first where I was going to put this, but I didn't. So the plan now will just be to clean up that space a little bit and then move one of this into there. So what I checked as well was to make sure that this depth will be fine by the wall where I'm going to put it. Because if not, then you start running into the arms of the lift. This is only about 19.5 inches, and then from the wall to the arms of the lift is about, I don't know, 26. So it sounds like we have quite a bit of space there before we start hitting it. So yeah, just gonna clean up that space real quick and then move one of these cabinets up there and see how it works out.
Good enough for all this time. I thought that we would end up happy, but that was all in my head. I'm ready for the long road ahead. For all this time, we lied about how we will last and that we were alright, but it's fine. For all this time.
I keep finding tools I thought I lost. This is the stuff that was in the box. I got them for a good deal on a Black Friday sale, actually Cyber Monday sale. Yeah, I did put these bad boys in here. I had started actually putting some of my tools in here. I have my welding stuff over there, and then there's like other equipment down there, but there's a lot that I still need to put in here, but I like them a lot. The only other thing that I have not done is, after I took them all out, I realized that they actually came with casters that I need to put under there, so I have not done that. That's another project for another day. So yeah, I like them actually. They come with this stainless steel working surface over there. I will need to get a stool so I can sit over there, and it worked pretty well with the lift. I thought the lift was gonna be in the way, but as you can see, these arms are out of the way. So even if you put them back like that, I guess I cannot put them back because it's up. Anyways, if you were to pull that arm back this way, you will not hit any of those things. So it's fine, worked out great. So I am still trying to improve the storage in the garage, and one of the things that I had wanted to do is to basically improve this section. So like I said last time, that I don't have a lot of wall space. There's this little bit over here and then there, and then there's just like these massive windows. So what I want to do, if you can see here, there's some equipment over there. It basically carries water into the house and back from the house. for heating and cooling purpose. I want to create some sort of storage that will be sort of modular and on casters that I can move it around as I want behind those over there, because there's still a lot of stuff that, you know, that is going to need storage, but I'm gonna start working on that. So first thing is to go to the barn and collect some timber. So let's go ahead.
Sometimes I think about myself. I wish I was somewhere else, far from my fear, anxiety, far from my weakness. I could be gone, but I'm just afraid. I refuse to fix the problem, and I think I can carry on. You can lie, you can try, but you'd like to leave this feeling. We've got to breathe, to dig, to live the life we are dreaming. It could go wrong, but I'm just a mess.
Alright guys, so this was the barn. I think it's pretty cool, but it's pretty dark in there. At some point I'll have to think of a solution for lights and you know, basically converting this place into like a cool place, make it like a bike shop or something, you know, like motorcycles. It's something that I've been wanting to get into, but that's like way into the future, right? So I just got the timber. I'm just gonna carry it back to the garage and then can continue building this thing. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, now that I brought all the timber up here to the garage, it's time to start planning it out and moving things around and cutting the timber to a size. I don't know what size yet, but I'll figure that out. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Looks like the car's a little bit in the way over here, so I'll have to figure something out. I just built one of the end pieces for the cabinets, and I'm going to show you guys how it's going to fit to the wall in order to clearance the pipes that I showed you before. So let's check it out. This is the piece that I just built. Basically it is the end section of the cabinet. So just going to carry it and then carry it over there just so I can show you how it fits on top of those pipes. So if I move it close, see, it's basically not touching over here. You still have like a finger's worth or something like that, and at the bottom it's less, but you know, it's okay. So that is how it's going to look. I don't know if you can see, there's a bunch of stuff, but there's that end piece over there, and in that corner, top right corner, that's how it goes over those pipes. as you can see back there, I mocked up. Oh shit, there's a lot of sticky stuff on this. I have the camera on the hood of the other car, so there's a lot of sticky stuff on the hood. It's gross. Anyways, I have the table slash cabinet mocked up over there. I have two of these ends over there, and it's long. It's about 9.5 feet long, and this distance over there is about 2 feet. So that gives me a good amount of storage space, really. So yeah, I am going to continue putting it together, and then we'll see where I get to. Hey, what's up guys? Yeah, so this is the next day, and there's a lot that I didn't show yesterday just because I was having camera issues, but I'm sure those are fixed now. But yeah, since let me show you what I did since the last time. So I did put together the cabinet frame. As you can see, I braced it with some supports. I also added this rail over here. I am going to do a bundle sort of thing here, and there are many times when in the shop I need some, some spot to sort of put my ideas on and like scribble things. So I think this will be pretty good. I'm gonna get some markers that I can erase, erasable markers, and just like scribble stuff here when I have some ideas to put down. So I think that will be cool. And then I have this plexiglass, which you guys will see what I'm gonna do with. So. Looking good.